Welcome, friends. I am Tiffany of Tiffany Baby TV. Thank you for joining me today. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. Make sure that you also ring that notification bell so that you're notified and you can be one of the first ones to catch that new video. Today, I'm going to be reviewing this unit for you, which I have on my head already. I custom made this unit. I received these bundles from Beauty Nation Shop. Thank you so much, Jack. They were absolutely fabulous to work with. He sent me over 3 14-inch body wave bundles. They were in a platinum blonde color. I will leave you a picture of the stock card and the information and the packaging that they came in. I ordered a frontal from Amazon. I will be sure to leave the link below as to where I purchased that frontal. When I received these bundles, the first thing that I did was to wash them with Purple Shimmer Lights shampoo to take out some of that yellow. It does help to tone blonde hair anytime you use a purple shampoo. I also tinted the lace. I tinted that using Adore semi-permanent hair color, which is also how I got my dark rooting here throughout the front of that frontal. I installed this unit using the Ghost Bond glue. I know you guys usually see me use the Got to Be Glued freezing spray and gel combination, but I wanted to do something a little bit different this time, so I did go ahead and do the bald cap, which I have a tutorial for, so make sure you check that out so you can see step by step how you do your bald cap, and it is a very beginner friendly tutorial. I had my girlfriend Natalie, shout out to Natalie, for coming and slaying this bob for me. I so appreciate you, girl. It looks so good, and it was very, very thick, and it was very, very long. Right now I'm going to go ahead and give you a 360 view so that you can see what it looks like all the way around. I highly recommend these bundles. As you can see, this unit came out just absolutely gorgeous. The body and the bounce and the texture is fantastic. So if you are into making your own units, if you want a blonde bob but you don't want to pay $300-400 for it, these bundles are extremely affordable. They have them in 3 bundle packages so that you save a little bit more money if you want to go ahead and pick out or purchase those preset lengths, or you can purchase individual bundles at whatever length you might like. I hope this review was helpful for you guys. I hope that you guys love this unit just as much as I do. I cannot wait to rock this all summer. My husband already said, I hope you keep this in regular rotation. So this little blonde baddie is summer ready. I'm here for it all summer 2019. So you guys make sure you shop Beauty Nation. They're amazing, their prices are amazing, and their customer service and shipping is just absolutely unparalleled. So if you guys have any questions, make sure that you leave them down below for me. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button before you go. Don't sit here and watch all of my tutorials and get all of this good tea and not give back. Go ahead and give me some love. Hit that button, ring that notification bell for me on your way out too. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for spending some time with me, guys. Love ya. Bye, loves.